So for this video, we will draw and color the character Mew. Mew is one of the most iconic and mysterious Pokémon in the series. It is a psychic-type mythical Pokémon, first introduced in Generation I, and is known as the ancestor of all Pokémon. According to lore, Mew contains the genetic code of every Pokémon, which is why it can learn virtually any move. Mew was originally available only through special events, making it highly sought after. In the games, Mew is often associated with secret locations or events, and it's known for its playful and curious nature. Despite its small and cute appearance, Mew is incredibly powerful in battle. And we're done. See you in our next video.